Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Agnes and this is Budgeting Babe Kehi, and in here I do content around budgeting, cash stuffing, cash condensing, and everything concerning personal finance growth and management for financial freedom and growth. So if that sounds like kind of content that you'd want to watch here on YouTube, kindly consider subscribing and also turn on the notification bell so that every time I upload a new video you'll be notified. And like the video also, that YouTube can recommend my video to many viewers. And yeah, so feel much welcome to this video. I am glad that you're here, and today is an unfortunate video that I am doing. I know this might violate the cash envelope stuffing methods or anything, but we say budgeting is a personal, it's personal, like personal in a way that my own way cannot be your own way. If something works for you, I think it's better you do what works best for you rather than doing what everyone is doing and being just you, something that is working for you. So that being said, guys, today I am doing an unstuffing. Unfortunately, I can say that I have encountered an emergency, and I have weighed my options. Like, I can get a loan of the same money, but that will come with some interest, and it will also affect my monthly income flow. So, and another one, I could also borrow someone, of which also it will affect my monthly cash flow. And just because I have some money in my binders, I didn't see it worth of me going to borrow someone else's money, of which I can just borrow myself. I will take from my envelopes, but then I will return. I am doing this because I know that I will get some money that I can return to my envelopes. I can refund, and that is why I have these cards. As you can see, I have written IOU. So every envelope that I take, I will replace the money with one of this, so that I can know how much I am taking from each envelope. And yeah, like I've said, budgeting is a personal thing. So if I am doing something that does not work with you, please do not condemn me, do not judge me, because that is what works for me. So if this does not work for you, so it is okay, so I have weighed my options, and like I've said, and this will work for me, that this is what works for me. Yeah, because I can take a loan from my payslip, or I can borrow someone, of which all those options will affect my monthly cash flow, and I don't want that, especially because I am just starting my budgeting journey, and that will discourage me. Yeah, so this one I will refund the money. Yeah, so without talking a lot, I need 9,000 shillings for my sister. My sister has an exam that she's supposed to do, and they were told before registering. I had planned to incorporate a budget in my February and March budget, but right now it's like an emergency. They have been told to register for the exams. You have to pay some certain amount of money, and the deadline is on Friday, this 17th. So that is why I am doing this. Otherwise, there is a money that I am expecting on date 21st, and I will use that money to refund what I take today. And we are almost 5 minutes, so let's get into the unstuffing. So we are unstuffing our long term today. Let me start with my long-term savings and see how much I can get from there, and then I will see what to add. So month ahead as 400. I want to unstuff anything above 500, not below 500. Emergency fund as 500, 1,000 and 500. So I am unstuffing that 1,005 and I am writing that down here. So stuffing 1,500. So I know that I owe this envelope 1,500 and I put it here. That will remind me when I want to refund. Vacation as 250, which we cannot unstuff, and first car as 500, 1,000, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 750. So I get 500, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 500. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 500. So that will be 1,500 from first car. So in IOU we write 1,500, so that is 3,000. In here we are left with 100, 150, 200, 250. We are left with 250 in first car. Future home as 200, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50, 950. So we unstuff 500, 3, 4, 5, 500. 2, 3, 4 and 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 500 from future home, and now it's left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 450. We write an IOU of 500 shillings, 500 shillings IOU in there. Retirement as 2, 3, 450. 450 we cannot unstuff. All right, so let's see how much we have so that we know how much more we need. Now we have 5,152, 5, 2,500, 2,500, 27, 29, 3,000, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We have 3,500, so we need 3,500, so we need 4,500 more. We go to my son's categories. We unstuff school, school fee, we take out the money in here, which is 2,000. We write an IOU of 2,000. school fee. So we are left with 2,000 what? 2005. Yeah, 2005. So in here we have, in birthday we have 1005, 2005, 26, 27, 28, and we are left with 25. So here we can get the 25, 1015, 2000, 2500, 2500, 2500 from birthday, and now it's left with 300. And I think we are done. We are done. I think we have 9,000 now. Let's confirm if we have 9,000. 1, 2, 3,000, 3,000, 35, 4, 45, 5,000, 55, 6,000, 65, 7,000, 7,000, 72, 74, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 8,000. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. We have 1,000 to go, you guys. We have 1,000 to go, and I think I will get it from business license. Business license. So get 1,000. 1,000. So right here, 1,000. I owe you. So we have 1,400, 600, 7, 8, 9, 3,000. So we have 2,000. We have 1,000 left. We have 1,000. Yeah, we have 1,000 left for business license. And now that should be enough. If it's not enough, then something is taking my money. Something is taking my money. 1, 2, 3, 3,000, 35, 4, 45, 5, 55, 6, 65, 7, 75, 8, 8,000, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, and 9,000. Yeah. So now we are okay. We are okay. We are going to sort out that emergency, and then I will refund the money taken. So yeah, I know that is unfortunate unstuffing in budgeting, which is not recommended, but like I've said, it is my budget and I have seen that is what will work for me. So thank you so much for watching and being here. I really appreciate your presence. If you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe and hit the notification bell so that every time I upload any video, you'll be notified. And do not forget to like this video so that YouTube can recommend it to many viewers. Thank you so much, and may God bless you. And let's see and meet in the next video. Bye for now.